Gumawa ulit tayo ng another version kong muffin na very cheesy and creamy kasi may cream cheese. Umpisahan na natin. Salain ng flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Set aside at sa isang bowl i-whisk ang butter at sugar until well blended and ilagay ang eggs one at a time only. Beat, then add Greek yogurt and vanilla. Mix very well. Ibuhos na ang liquid to dry ingredients. Mix very well until ganito na ang mixture. Add na rin ang cheese and cream cheese. Mix until incorporated. Okay lang if the cheese and cream cheese are chunky. Ilagay na ang mixture sa muffin pan lined with muffin liners. Huwag punuin kasi baka umapaw sa liners while baking. I-bake sa preheated oven ng 220 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, switch ang temperature sa 180 degrees Celsius for 18 minutes. Tandaan na ang cooking time is depende sa laki at kapal ng muffin. And after 18 minutes, perfectly baked, let it cool, and kainan na!